Hey everybody, Dawn McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. And in September, we are talking about seasonality and how to make it work best for you, for your life, for your business. So I want to share with you a couple of things that I've been looking at and what I'm doing going forward. So the weather is a little bit cooler, so I am much more enthusiastic about getting outside, to play pickleball outside, to get walks outside, to do, all the things outside, which I love, love, love doing. And it was kind of a warm summer here, so I didn't do that as much as I normally do. That brightens my mood. I love being outside, and it gives me a variety in my routine, which is really good for preventing, your body from adapting to your routine and not making gains, right? Because I am not quite a year out from my last knee replacement surgery, and I'm really still in the last phases of my rehab routine. I'm still making pretty significant gains in balance and flexibility and strength, and I want to continue to do that. That's me personally, right? In my business, right now, I'm in a kind of a quiet season, not a full season, a little bit of a pause, let's say, for these next 3 weeks. We are doing all the last things. My kiddo's home before he goes back to college, catching up on movies, catching up with friends, going out to his favorite restaurants, packing, shopping for the new apartment, all of those things. And I don't want to miss a moment of that. So there were some business tasks that I thought I might get accomplished before Labor Day, and I have rethought that. And I have rescheduled those for early September after Labor Day, after he is back at school, because I don't want to miss a moment of this precious time with him. Um, and so when you take a look at your family, business, life calendar, and you think, okay, maybe the kids are going back to school and I'm going to start ramping up right now. Decide if you want to ramp up right now, this moment, or if you actually want to wait until they're back at school. There is no right or wrong answer unless you are in a business that has a very specific seasonality. If you sell back to school supplies, for example, this is your busy season, and that's going to need to carry on regardless of what else is going on, because that's the business that you're in. But that's not the business that I'm in. There is no natural seasonality to it, generally speaking. There are definitely times of the year when people focus more and focus less. And so I try to work with my clients accordingly. And I would encourage you to do the same. I think it's super important to not just pick up a magazine article and read what they're saying about what you're supposed to be doing at this time of the year. I don't like supposed to be's. I want you to look at your own life and your own family and your own calendar and see what makes the most sense for you. When does it make sense to push forward? When does it make sense to maintain and act accordingly, right? Because life is not a template. Life is unique for all of us. So I hope that was helpful. As always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up the things that bring you joy. Until next time.